Heat rising in the quiet night, shadows dancing in the flashing light, smoke curling where the wild winds roam, voices calling every heart back home. Hands steady in the burning glow, holding ground when the fires grow. Strength rising from a deeper place, finding power in a steady pace. When the flames rise high and the world shakes wide, hold your breath, stand firm, let the waves collide. Every spark can fade when the waters turn. Through the struggle there's a chance to learn. Footsteps echo in the shifting haze, moving forward through the hardest phase. Every heartbeat steady and sure, finding courage just to endure.